Chapter name Human Endocrine System Notes. First, pituitary gland. Hypothalamus plus pituitary are two control centers that coordinate and integrate various systems. Hypothalamus sends the information to pituitary gland through releasing hormone, while pituitary gland in turn secretes hormone that directly or indirectly control the activities of other gland. Hypothalamus, it is the part of forebrain present just below the thalamus region and above pituitary gland. Chemicals released by it are releasing factors or hormones which stimulate pituitary gland to secrete specific hormone. Pituitary gland is very small, 1.3 centimeter to 1.5 to 5 gram, present just below to hypothalamus, and it attached to it by a stalk called infundibulum, has 3 anterior, intermediate and posterior lobes. Human beings have only 2 lobes. Intermediate atrophies during fetal development. Anterior pituitary lobe and posterior pituitary lobe. Anterior adenohypophysis and posterior neurohypophysis. Then is your thyroid gland, butterfly shaped gland below larynx on either sides of trachea. T4, T3 and calcitonin. T4 thyroxine, T3 triiodothyronine. Calcitonin regulates Ca plus level in blood plasma, regulate BMR, break down sugar and fats, stimulate protein synthesis, maintain body temperature, promote physical growth. Disorders: hyperthyroid and hypothyroid, autoimmune disorders, cretinism in children with mental retardation, retarded body growth, low BMR, blood pressure, heart rate and body temperature, myxedema in adults, puffiness of skin, accumulation of interstitial fluid, low BMR, BP, goiter, lump in neck region, dullness, grave diseases or exophthalmic goiter, swelling in neck, bulging of eyes, increased BMR, BP, heart rate, restlessness, palpitation, nervousness, weight loss. Next is your parathyroid, embedded on the dorsal surface of thyroid gland, secretes parathyroid hormone. It increases Ca plus level and decreases PO4 plus level in blood plasma, affects growth of bones, membrane permeability. Hypoparathyroid and hyperparathyroid. Hypo, muscle spasm, sustained control of muscles. Neurons become depolarized without stimulation. Hyperthyroid, excess of parathyroid hormone, increased Ca plus level in blood, increased deposition of Ca plus in kidney, other tissue. Next is your adrenal gland, 2 yellowish glands just above kidneys, suprarenals, adrenal medulla and adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla is also known as stress hormone and adrenal cortex is also known as stress recovery hormone. Allowed to respond to emergency situation. Adrenal increase blood sugar by converting glycogen to glucose, increased BP, heartbeat, increased O2 consumption and breakdown of lipids, dilation of eye pupil, erection of hair, etc. Noradrenaline, norepinephrine stimulation, functioning of adrenaline, help to recover from stress, produce 30 different steroid hormones, produce 3 different category of hormone, that is mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids and gonadocorticoids. Hormones are mineralocorticoids that act on kidney, glucocorticoid that act on liver and gonadocorticoid that act on gonads. Next is your pancreas, dual gland produce digestive enzymes and hormones, exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine is pancreatic juice, endocrine islets of Langerhans, alpha, beta and delta cells. Alpha is glucagon, beta is insulin, delta cell is somatostatin, increase glucose level, decrease glucose level and inhibits the secretion of glucagon and insulin. Thymus, present in chest below the upper part of sternum close to heart, secretes thymosin, promote the growth of lymphoid tissues and help in immune responses, play a role in production of lymphocytes, antibodies, large and active in young children, maximum 10 to 12 years. Stimulate the production of T lymphocytes, reduces in size with age. And ये पूरा रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन है ग्लूकोज का ग्लाइकोजन तक, जिसमें डिक्रीज इन शुगर लेवल होता है, और ग्लाइकोजन से ग्लूकोज तक इसमें इंक्रीज इन शुगर लेवल होता है. डिक्रीज इन शुगर लेवल वाला ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस होता है एंड इंक्रीज इन शुगर लेवल ग्लाइकोजेनोलिसिस होता है. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर शीट. ये इसमें यहाँ से कंबाइन होती है. Adenohypophysis, thyroid stimulating hormone, secretion of thyroid hormones, ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone, adrenal gland, secretion of adrenal gland. MSH, melanocytes stimulating hormone, melanocytes in skin, no functioning in mammals. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, seminiferous tubules in man, stimulates spermatogenesis. Graafian follicle in female, growth of ovarian follicle and estrogen. LH, luteinizing hormone. A, interstitial cells of testis, secretion of testosterone. Corpus luteum in ovary together with FSH trigger ovulation, development of corpus luteum and progesterone. Prolactin, mammary gland, stimulate milk production and secretion. Somatotropin, human gland hormone, general body, soft tissues, bones, muscles and protoplasm, stimulates body's growth by promoting protein synthesis. Growth of bones, promotes breakdown of fats. Oxytocin, that is for neurohypophysis. Oxytocin, also known as birth hormone, uterus and mammary gland, stimulate extraction of uterine muscles during birth, initiates ejection of milk from mammary gland. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, kidney vasoconstrictor. Hair from goiter, lump in neck region, dullness, lack of alertness, fatigue, low BMR, heart rate, body temperature. This is for mineralocorticoids. Aldosterone, regulate H2O and salt, Na and K metabolism. Glucocorticoids, cortisol, cortisone, raise blood sugar level, promote glycogen formation. And gonadocorticoids, androgen, estrogen, promote secondary sexual character. And then yes, gonads. Gonads are reproductive organ as they produce gametes but are partly endocrine glands also as they produce sex hormones. Ovaries and testis. Ovaries releases structures are ovarian follicles and corpus luteum, release hormone estrogen and release hormone progesterone and relaxin. Estrogen act on general body and female reproductive system function, stimulate development of secondary sexual characters, stimulate growth of sex hormones at puberty, ovulation, regulate ovarian or menstrual cycle, act on uterus, stimulate uterus for embryo implantation and maintain pregnancy. Relaxin, mammary gland and uterus, help to dilate cervix at the end of pregnancy, stimulate milk production in mammary gland. Testis is interstitial cells of Leydig of seminiferous tubules of testis, stimulate secondary sexual character, development of male sex organs, and stimulate spermatogenesis. Placenta, HCG and HPL. HCG is human chorionic gonadotrophin, maintains corpus luteum, stimulate release of progesterone. HPL, human placental lactogen, stimulates the development of mammary gland.